Just checking here, looking at my old plant. I did a little trimming on these two here. These tomato plants were planted way back when, I don't remember now, maybe October, something like that, of last year. And I had them all day. I had them on this little old wagon where I rolled them inside and out. Inside the building at night and out in the sun during the day, and they have put out little tomatoes, not very big ones. They put out these little bitty, like this one right there. They put out these little, I think they're steak tomatoes or something. They're about a little bigger than your thumb, give or take. But I just noticed that this thing has tomatoes again all over it while I was trying to trim it up a little bit. Here's two tomatoes right here. Here's one fixing to pop up right there. This thing has been through a lot, and it is still wanting to put out tomatoes. It just amazes me. Doesn't I think there's some more on there, but I just can't. But they're all over it. But like it gets wilted. Oh, here's one way up here. One wilted. When it gets wilted, then I put a little water in it. Right now it needs a little water. I think it's been a couple of days since I watered, and I don't want to overwater them. Makes the tomatoes split, but right now they're looking good on the vines right here. And these are good and green, so I'm not real worried about it. But I need to just perky mostly. But I'm gonna water here in a few minutes. But anyway, that's my old bucket garden tomatoes, and they're still producing. And I guess that's it for now.